Hey mom, so this is my final project and Java programming 2, a simple currency converter. So the purpose of my code is to help us to convert Philippine pesos to other currencies like US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and British pound, and vice versa. It also helps us to view currency rates and try out sample conversion. So I use arrays, methods, and function and exception handling. Arrays is I use array to store the names of the currencies and their exchange rates. So as you can see, sorry, nagamit ko og kuan ma'am array daring kuan sa names mga currency. Then methods and functions. All the logic is written inside the main method for simplicity using loops. For example, ma'am na nagamit ko aning kuan try if choice sa akong currency rates, then for int, then exception handling. I use to try block to catch the invalid inputs, like if the users enters a letter instead of numbers. As you can see ma'am in the bottom part of my code, I use catch, then what the exception handling. Then if we run the code, there are 5 options. The number 1 is the view currency rate. 2 is convert page Philippine pesos to other currencies. Number 3 is convert currency to Philippine pesos. Then 4 is view all conversions, and 5 is exit. So in the option 1, the program displays all the currencies rates in Philippine pesos. So we're gonna try to code it. We're gonna try to type 1. Then so as you can see, the US dollar is 56.5 pesos and the euro is 61.2. Then Japanese yen is 0.339, and the British pound is 71.8 pesos. Then in the option 2, the user input a Philippine pesos amount and choose which the currencies to convert to. The program calculates and shows the result using a simple formula, which is the converted amount equals to Philippine pesos divide rate. So we're gonna choose number 2. Then enter the amount of Philippine pesos. Let's say 200 pesos. Then choose the currency to convert to. So we're gonna choose the British pound. As you can see, the Philippine 200 pesos is converted into 2.79 British pound. Then in option 3, the user input a foreign currency. So you can input foreign currency amount and the rates, which is the currency it is. The program convert it into Philippine pesos using a converted amount. Amount is multiplied to rate. So example 3. Then Matay, di makita. So let's say 700. Then we choose the currency. We choose number 2 euro. Then 700 euro is equal to 42,840. In the option 4, which is show sample conversion of Philippine pesos 100 to all converse to all currencies. So let's choose the 4. So as you can see, the sample conversion of Philippine pesos to all currencies is US dollar 1.77, euro 1.63, Japanese yen is 256.41, and British pound is 1.39. Then the final option 5 is to exit the program. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.